Hi everyone, it's Troy at Recreation Supply, here to give you a rundown on two of the most popular goggles on the market right now, the 509 Sinister X7 Ignites, as well as the 509 Aviator 2.0 S1 Ignites. First off, we often get asked what's the difference between the Sinister X7s and the Aviator 2.0s. Biggest difference, these guys, the Sinister X7s, have the cylindrical lens to them, where the Aviators have a toric lens. At a higher cost, you are going to get the best field of vision with the toric lens. With the cylindrical lens, you are still going to get a great field of vision. Next, one of the favorite parts about these goggles is the 5-meg magnetic system with all of the lenses. Super easy to swap a lens. They have a ton of different options. Click them on. They'll snap right into place, so no matter where you're riding or what the conditions are, it's super easy to swap the lenses on the go. On to the S1 battery pack. Located on the left-hand side for a quick operation with your brake hand. Easy one-button function, charged by a micro USB. Two functions with the S1 battery pack are auto, which will give you 4 hours of operating time, manual, which will give you up to 8 hours of operating time, which is controlled via the 509 app. This battery operates not only the heated portion in the lens, but as well as the DC fan located at the top of each goggle. Onto a couple features. With both goggles, you'll have a removable nose piece. Both goggles are available in an XL size for 2X as well as 3X helmets. There are multiple lenses available: regular tint, Polaroids, HCS, and photochromatic. Each S1 goggle comes with its own case. In the case, you're going to find a couple things, starting with goggle cover, instruction manual, batteries that you can buy additional ones with, charge cable, and of course, some stickers. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to stay up to date with us on Instagram and Facebook, we'll have a link below in the description. If you want to do some shopping, check out our store at recreationsupply.co. 1,000 takes later. I need a drink.